This is Charles infoDesk. I want to teach you how to edit any kind of PDF file. Please, this video is for educational purposes, nothing else. Do well to like this video, share it to help someone out there, and click the plus sign, subscribe to follow us for more of these tips. I am going to be teaching you how you can edit any kind of PDF. There is something adjustment you want to make, but you don't know how to go about it. Follow me step by step. In less than 1 minute, I will show you how to edit that PDF file. Let's go. Open any browser of your choice. You type SEJDA.com. SEJDA.com. You search. It's opening. So here we go. This is the file we are going to be using to edit our PDF. Remember, once you type and it opens, make sure that the one you are using is the one that has this green circle with white X on it. So the next thing you do, we click on upload PDF. It will take us to where you have your PDF. Then you pick any one of the file you want to edit. Let's pick this. Here we go. The file is up. You can zoom it so that it will be easier when you are editing. So I think it's up now. Maybe you want to change this date to have here is Monday, 4th, 11th, 2024. Maybe you want to change it to 2025. You tap on it and move it so you can delete. So you see you can edit. The 4 is off. Then you can put in the 5 is here. So you go to the second one. You can remove 4 and add 5. So now it's editable. Once you are done editing what you want to edit here, then let's assume you want to add a signature. Click on this last one. You can add signature to this document here. What else can you do? If you want to add a link, you can as well add a link. Whatever you want to do, you can do it on this PDF. Remember, this is for educational purposes. Please do well. Once you are done, you click on apply changes. You allow it. Now you can download. Once you click on download, this PDF will be downloaded into your device. This is Charles infoDesk. Don't forget to like this video, share it to help someone, and remember to follow us, subscribe so that you will always get our latest tips.